Hi, so in this session we are going to see that how can we print a linked list. Okay, so we have already seen a method to take input of a linked list. We have not optimized it, we will be optimizing it soon. But for now let us see that if we want to print a linked list, how can we print it. Okay, so this was our code of taking input of the linked list. So this had taken input of the linked list like this. If we had given numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1. So what it had done is it has created a linked list like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it is pointing to none. This is will be our head and we got our head in this function from this function like this. Okay, when we call take input we will get the head like this and these connections have been made. Now our task is to print this linked list. We want to print in the same order like this 1, arrow 2, arrow 3, arrow 4, arrow 5 and then none. If we want to print like this, then we got the head. Okay, so if we want to pass a linked list, what we will pass? We will pass the head of the linked list. Okay, so we got the head of the linked list like this. We are going to implement the function print linked list and we are going to pass the head of that linked list. Whatever linked list you need to print, you will just pass that head and the function will do what? It will print the linked list corresponding to the head. Okay, so our task is to implement the function print linked list like this. If we have got print linked list, this is my head, I need to print this linked list, I got the head of the linked list. So this head is different from this head. Why? Because this is a local function, this is a local variable of this print linked list. Okay, so if I want to print a linked list, I have a head which is pointing to this. Okay, so I will go start from here, I will go till where? Head will go to this, 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 then head will become none. How? Head equal to head dot next, 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 the head will become none. Now you cannot print anything. Okay, before that how you can print? If I am pointing to this head is storing two things. What? One is the data which is 1 and one is the reference to this. Okay, so you need to print the data. We will print the data and how will we move? By using the concept of next. Okay, so at every position once head is pointing here, I will print the data of this, then I will print the data of this, then I will print the data of this. So I have printed the data of this, I will also print the arrow. I will print this data, I will print the arrow. I will print this data, I will print the arrow. I will print this data, I will print the arrow. I will print this data, I will print the arrow. After that head will become none, so I will print only none. Okay, so data arrow, data arrow, data arrow, data arrow, data arrow, and after that head will become none. In the end I just need to print none. Okay, so I will be able to print in this order. How? This is the head which is passed. I need to do the work till this head does not become none. While head is not none, I will keep on iterating head equal to head dot next using this. But when I am present at a particular head, what I need to print? I need to print its data. So head dot data. Since I need to print like this arrow as well, so this is a string, this is an integer, we cannot do that. So what we will do is convert this head dot data into a string, and after printing one thing we just need to end with the like this. Okay, so that it does not come in the next line. By default it comes in the next line. We have passed as an end so that it doesn't come in the next line. After that we are done with this loop. In the end I need to print none as well, and after that we are done. We can just return after that. Okay, in the end we will just print none, and I think we are able to print this. So let's try to run this function and call this function for printing. While current dot next is not none, here I need to write us like this as well. So if I now write here what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1. So I am able to print my linked list. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and none, and this is the perfect thing. We are able to print the linked list. And as you should know, if I call print linked list again here, this head has not become none. This is a local variable to this. So you will be able to print the linked list again, because this is a different head and this is a different head. Okay, so how this is happening? This is happening like this. First you got the head, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the reference 100. and you got the reference 100 in head. So head stores 100 from this. Now you come here, you call print linked list head. So a print linked list function has been made. In that, the head of the print linked list function, that means print linked list dot head, copy this reference, that is 100. Okay, so it is a local variable function, local variable of this print linked list function. Okay, so this moves on pointing. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here print linked list dot head is pointing here. Here let me call it outside this, so I am calling main dot head. So this is main dot head, you have called this. So when you had called this and you move to this function, here this head becomes what? Print linked list dot head. Now you do here, while head is not none, here it is pointing to print linked list dot head. So print linked list dot head is not none, you will move print linked list dot head equal to print linked list dot head dot next. So you will move here and you will keep on printing 1 2 3 4 5 6. Print linked list dot head equal to print linked list dot head dot next. So this is a local variable to print linked list, and that is a local variable to the main thing. Okay, so you will keep on moving, keep on moving, keep on moving. This print linked list dot head will become none and you will print none. So you are able to print this linked list one time. After that you come back, this print linked list dot head will remove. You have called print linked list head again. So here the head is same. This is main dot head. Main dot head is pointing to that point only, that was 100. Okay, so you had gone to this. When you call a function, the copy is created, and in that again print linked list dot head will be copied as 100. Okay, this is a copy which will be made in the local variable of the print linked list function. So this head will not change. This is a local variable to the main thing, and this is a local variable to the print linked list function. Okay, so we are able to print it. Now this, our code is also working fine. Now the task is, the code is not optimized. Input is taking lot of time. Try to analyze the time complexity for this. We can optimize this time complexity so that it will take less time to take input of n elements. Okay, we will be discussing that in the next session. Please open your mind and try to see this, that what we can do to reduce its time complexity. Okay, great. Thank you.